Google has released Nano Banana Pro. This is one of the biggest upgrades in AI image generation so far, as this model finally gives us clean text, stable faces, correct details, and visuals that actually make sense. Image quality is on another level. You can generate images in up to 4K resolution, which makes it perfect for printing, professional client work, and high-end visuals. Text finally works the way we've always wanted. Headlines, UI labels, logos, packaging text, almost everything stays sharp, readable, and stable. But here's the part that really changes the game: visual reasoning. This model doesn't just generate, it actually thinks before it creates. Powered by the Gemini 3 reasoning engine, it understands equations, counts objects correctly, and follows diagrams and structured layouts accurately. So instead of random visuals, you get images that are both beautiful and logically correct. It also delivers stronger faces and identity control. Characters stay consistent across different angles, outfits, and lighting, and expressions look natural. Whether you're making posters, thumbnails, cinematic frames, or character sheets, you'll get reliable, repeatable results every time. And of course, prompt following is the best it's ever been. It sticks closely to your instructions, colors, object placement, layout, and typography. And as you guys know, I always test latest AI models on Higgsfield due to their best prices and early access. So let's see some official examples from Higgsfield. In all of these examples, we have all three elements, as in left side we have input image, in right side we have output, and in bottom we have prompt. And that's it from my end. Let's hand it over to Amir Mushtaq, and he will walk you through all the practical stuff.
Thanks, Maya. It was pretty helpful. Now let's head over to Higgsfield official website and create a free account here. So let's hit sign up. Here you have multiple options to create your account. I'm going to use my Google account for account creation process. So let's click on continue with Google. As you can see, they have automatically fetched my account and I am successfully logged in into my account. Well, Higgsfield is a kind of all-in-one platform which offers almost all famous AI image and video generation models. There's many pre-built AI apps which are very useful to perform kind of custom actions. The feature we are going to use today is called Nano Banana Pro, and we can access it by going to image section in top menu. Here we have all models which we can use for image generation. Now simply click on Nano Banana Pro. Here we have our interface to generate and edit images with Nano Banana Pro. This interface is pretty simple. Here we need to give our prompt, and then here we can select the model. As I already told, Higgsfield offer all models, so we can select any. But today we are going to use Nano Banana, so select it. And then here we need to select the image ratio. Then we need to select the quality. I'm going to select 4K, and then we simply need to hit generate button to generate images. So first let's start with the image generation, and then we'll move towards image editing. I have entered a detailed prompt here. You can read it. After setting all the things, simply click on generate. As you can see, our image is ready. Let's maximize its size to see the details. Here you can see the power of Nano Banana and its reasoning engine. I mean, I have never given its heights or maybe widths to the model in the prompt, but they have given us all. Because I asked in the prompt, they have given a whole blueprint of the image. They have generated the image, and then they have given us all the blueprints and all the measurements of this image. I mean, this is literally amazing. This is a historical mosque in Pakistan, and I have just simply asked it to generate image and given me the blueprint with all these details. It has fetched the details from internet and provided me in the image. You can see how amazing and powerful this model really is. Now let's try another example. I am going to give it an image of a spray bottle, and now I will give it a prompt. The prompt says a Pakistani woman was holding this bottle, killing a mosquito or maybe spraying with this bottle on the mosquito, and the mosquito should be in the frame. Now let's hit the generate button. Our image is ready, and you can see the quality. I mean, this was the given image. You can see the handle of this bottle is in a different color, and here you can see the same color, the same bottle is here, and then a Pakistani woman, and then we have the mosquito in frame. You can see how amazing the quality is. Higgsfield is also running a discount offer where if you buy any of their plan, you will get about 65% off and Nano Banana Pro unlimited generation for whole 1 year. So make sure to avail this offer as soon as possible. Now let's do some image editing with the Nano Banana. Let's select our desired image and then the prompt. Here is our given image. So in this image, I want to replace these faces with the popular faces of Putin, Trump, and Elon Musk. So let's hit generate. Just look at it. This image is the best. I mean, just look at the faces. The faces are totally realistic, and the masking is great. The face is being fetched from the original image, and then they have inserted it here. I mean, this is best. Let's try another example. Okay, this time I have given it even more simple prompt. I just want to zoom this image. This is our given image. Now let's hit generate. Our image is ready, and you can see it has zoomed in the drop. Just look at it, how realistic it is. I mean, this is the result of Nano Banana 4K resolution. This is literally amazing. This is our original image. Okay, and then here we have our final result. This is amazing. Here we have some other options too. We can actually edit this image further. We can download it. We can delete it from our library. We can even turn it into a video. Nano Banana is a good model, but Higgsfield make it even better. Higgsfield is one of the best platform available on the internet to test different AI models. Their pricing is super good. Here is a comparison of Higgsfield and other AI platforms prices. You can check it out how cheap Higgsfield is. That's it for my end. Over to you, Mahe.
This upgrade is perfect for digital artists, marketers, designers, teachers, product teams, and agencies who want predictable and high quality images. So, if your work needs clear text, accurate details, and consistent results, this model is made for you. If you want to try this yourself, I've put the link in the description below. Go test it out and let me know what you create. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.